Most people think you need a huge salary to retire rich. They think wealth is only for CEOs, business owners, or the lucky few. But here's the truth nobody taught you. You don't need a big income. You need a smart system, because average pay with the right habits can still lead to a rich retirement. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Let me guess. You work hard. You get your paycheck. You pay your bills, rent, EMIs, groceries, and maybe a bit of lifestyle spending. And at the end of the month, not much left. You want to save. You want to invest. But reality feels heavy. So you tell yourself, I'll start later. But later never comes. Because the truth is this: if you don't control money, money will control you. Becoming rich doesn't start with earning more. It starts with knowing what to do with what you already earn. That's the big idea. Wealth isn't about income. It's about ownership, investments, and consistency. There are millions of people who earn average pay but retire wealthy. Not because they were lucky, but because they followed a simple system. And you're about to learn that system. Before we move forward, a quick reminder: if you're committed to improving your financial life, reshaping how you think about money, and building long-term wealth, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This channel will guide you step by step through practical, powerful financial growth strategies. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save later. Rich people do the opposite. Save first, spend later. Set up automatic investing the moment your salary arrives. Even if it's just $5,000, $3,000, or $1,000 a month, it counts, because the habit matters more than the amount. Small money invested early becomes big money later. Step 2. Let compound interest do the work. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because compounding turns time into money. Example: if you invest just $500 per month at a reasonable 12% annual return, here's what happens. After 5 years, $42,500. After 10 years, $115,000. After 20 years, $500,000. After 30 years, $1.75 million. Same salary, same job, but a completely different future. Not because you worked harder, but because your money did. Step 3. The 50-30-20 rule. If budgeting feels complicated, here's a simple formula. Take whatever money you earn and divide it like this. 50% for your needs, things you must pay for: rent, food, electricity, transportation. 30% for your wants, the fun stuff: eating out, travel, subscriptions, lifestyle upgrades. 20% for investing: emergency fund, SIPs, index funds, retirement plans, basically your future self's income. If 20% feels impossible, start with 5%, then move to 10%, then slowly to 20%. The goal is progress, not perfection. Step 4. Invest in low-risk, high-stability vehicles. You don't need crypto, day trading, or risky bets. Wealth is built on boring consistency. Focus on index funds, ETFs, S&P 500 equivalents, retirement funds, mutual fund SIPs. Boring? Yes. But boring is what builds wealth while risky decisions destroy it. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This one is important. Most people, the moment their income goes up, they upgrade everything. A new phone, a better car, more dinners outside, bigger vacations. And yes, it feels good in the moment. But here's the difference. Wealthy people don't increase their lifestyle first. They increase their investments first. They let wealth grow quietly. And once their money starts earning money, then the lifestyle upgrades happen automatically without stress. So remember, don't let your expenses grow faster than your income. Let your investments grow first, and your lifestyle will follow, effortlessly. Step 6. Play the long game. Building wealth isn't a quick sprint. It's like growing a tree. First, you plant the seed. Then you water it, protect it, and give it time. You don't dig it up every week wondering, why isn't it big yet? Because you know growth takes patience. Investing works the same way. Don't panic when markets move up and down. Don't check your portfolio every day. Just stay consistent. Because in the world of investing, the winners aren't the ones who time the market perfectly. They're the ones who stay invested long enough for compounding to do the heavy lifting. Be patient. Your future self will thank you. Here's the final truth. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Every wealthy person you admire once began where you are today, not with excess money, but with a decision to learn, a decision to invest, a decision to take control of their financial future. Your salary doesn't define your retirement. Your habits do. So start today. Thank you for spending your time here. It means a lot. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep moving toward the life you deserve. Stay inspired. And I'll see you soon in another meaningful and informative video.